Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson channel. I make videos around make money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, Facebook ad, and anything that has to do with making money online. So I share those tips on my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all, so when next I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share this video with your friend. So guys, welcome to my Flowextra review. I want to make a very important review about Flowextra. And why do I want to make this review, whether Flowextra is legit or Flowextra is still paying or not paying? I've been receiving a lot of questions from guys on my WhatsApp. Is this platform still paying? And the thing is that some of these guys who have chatted me, some of them have joined the platform already before coming to me. Some of them, they're about to join and they just got my contact on my blog and they contacted me because I made a review of Flowextra on my blog when the platform was still paying. So I left my WhatsApp link on the content. So people have been contacting me through that particular post, whether the platform is still paying or not paying. So in this video review of Flowextra, whether Flowextra is still paying or not, whether Flowextra is legit or not, so I'm going to show you some things about this platform, whether it's still paying or not paying. You can see right here, this is Flowextra platform. As you can see, this is Flowextra platform, as you can see right here, guys. So but you need to think about some things. This platform claims they are paying, but in a real sense, is this how a platform should look like? Just imagine it within yourself. Is this how a platform should look like? What do you see here? What exactly do they have here? Actually, this is not how Flowextra was. I was once a member of Flowextra some months ago when they were still paying. I've been paid about twice from this platform. So know that I'm just trying to claim some that I've been paid twice. But when I joined this platform and before I wrote this content on my blog, the platform was not like this. It has been redesigned. Everything has changed. And to see a platform that is legit enough, there are some things that we should find in such platform which are not on Flowextra. You can see that this contact us was added recently. It was added recently. This contact us was not here before, and you can see they don't have about us. Any platform, any online business should have contact us, about us, and support page. But you can see that Flowextra does not have those page. They just recently added this. And there is no about us. How will you join a platform you don't know about them, their locations, where they are? It's quite unfortunate that people still join such platform. No contact, no about us, no support page. So this is telling that this platform is kind of not legit enough, because they should have those pages. If you have issue, you can contact them. You will know their address, but they don't have such things right here. I'm still going to show you some things. So that is telling you that this platform has a question mark. And not just that, this platform was once like NNU, you know about that. They are just like TBD income program. Those platforms has come and gone, they have crashed. They just like Wakanda. They're just like NNU forum. They are just like TBD income. So many of them has come and gone. And you as well that is looking for a way to earn money online should know that this platform Flowextra has also come and gone. So you must not make sure that you find out about these things before you jump into such platform. You might be carried away by all this payment proof. I want to show you something. You can see this. This was posted at April 2nd, and we are now in October 10. And you can see this April 2nd, and we are now in October 10. So forget about all these payment proof. Forget all these things you are seeing right here. They are just here to confuse you or to deceive you. Forget about them. All this, forget about all these things. I'm trying to clear something to you so that you know about this phone. Forget about all this. All these have been paid long ago, since 8 months ago. So you can see about this platform. And you want to ask, I keep asking myself, those people that are signing up on Flowextra even to this moment, does it mean that they can't think? Are they not seeing things or what? You can see in this page, they have how it works, coupon code vendors, frequent questions, terms and conditions, and contact us. But you discover something, that there is nothing like registration page, no login. I myself, I even have an account here. I can't even log in since 8 months ago. So I keep asking myself, those guys that signed up, or those guys that have recently registered, how were they able to register when there is no registration page, there is no login page? How were they able to register? I'm going to tell you that recently. I'm going to tell you that. Let's look at how it works. I want to show you some things, how it works, so that you can take a look at how it works. You can see, look at how it works. Just imagine, can an online platform be designed this way? And people are so carried away to throw their money into this kind of platform. I don't need to read all this, because all these things written here are completely trash. They're completely trash. So I don't need to waste my time here. You can see how it works. Then let's look at the contact us page, and you see how about contact us page was designed. And just imagine, it is how a contact page of a company, of a platform that claims to pay, should be designed. We're going to look, just imagine, look at about contact us page. It is how a page should design. It's not supposed to be so, and people still throw their money into this kind of platform. Please guys, stay away from Flowextra. If you have been contacting me either on YouTube here or from my blog finding out about Flowextra, stay away from Flowextra. Flowextra is no longer paying again. Look at, you may be the coupon vendors may give out the coupon code to you to sign up, or they duplicate account for you. Yes, they might do that, because why? They have bought those coupon codes and they need to sell them. You are getting the point. Those coupon codes, they have bought it and they need to sell those coupon codes so that they can regain their money. And you be the one that will fall victim by buying those coupon codes for them to recover their money. So please stay away from Flowextra. Flowextra is no longer paying. If you come to my DM again on my WhatsApp to ask me whether Flowextra is still paying or not, I'm not going to attend to you. In fact, I will block you. Flowextra is no longer paying. Stay away from Flowextra. All these guys you are seeing here that are selling coupon code, they are selling to you because they want to cover up their money so that they will not run into loss. That is why they are still selling those coupon code. If not, they could have told you this platform is not paying any longer, but they want to recover their loss. That is why they are still selling those coupon codes. So these are the names of those guys selling coupon codes. Stay away from them. You may contact them on WhatsApp and they will tell you they will register you. Yet they will duplicate an account for you and you sign up, and that is gone for you, because you are not going to be paid. Even if you accumulate thousands of money, you are not going to be paid. In fact, there is no way that you can even log into your account. That gets me thinking, those people that are signing up, how were they able to log into their account? How were they able to register? Please stay away from Flowextra. It's no longer paying. It's no longer paying, because there is no way you'll be paid right in this platform. There is no advertisement in this platform. There is no affiliate again in this platform. So how do you think you are going to get paid? Please stay away from this platform. That is why I make this video. If you have enough money to throw away, don't forget that I need money. If you have so much money that you want to throw away on this platform, don't forget that Nelson needs money. So I will drop my account for you if you want to forward the money to my account. Instead of throwing the money away, simply send me the money and use it to thank me for recommending Make Money Online Opportunity platform to you, instead of throwing the money away. But to those who are wise, stay away from Flowextra. They are no longer paying. They are no longer paying. Stay away so that you will not lose your money to them. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share with those your friends so that they will not fall victim of this such platform. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button right now, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all. When next upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share with your friends, and don't forget to come back to my next video. Don't forget that Nelson does love you. Bye bye guys.